Let us see one more TET question. In a school of 400 students, the teacher-student ratio is 1:25. If 80 new students join the school, then the teacher-student ratio becomes. They have given that in a school there are 400 students and teacher-student ratio is 1:25. Now 80 new students join the school. We need to find out the new ratio. They have given that teacher student ratio is 1:25. That means for every 25 students there is one teacher. For every 25 students there is one teacher. Then for 400 students, how many teachers are there? 400 by 25. 25 ones are 25 ones are 25, 25 6 are 150, which is 16. So we have 16 teachers and 400 students. Now what happened? 80 new students join the school. That means teachers will remain same, students will become 480. Now we need to find out 16 is 480, which is nothing but 16 ones are 16 threes are 48, 0, 1 is to 30. So this is the answer.